Today, we'll learn how to solve linear equations that contain fractions on both sides. Let's start with this example. X over 3 plus 2 equals x over 6 plus 5. We'll solve it step by step. Both sides of the equation contain fractions. To remove the fractions, we first find the lowest common multiple of the denominators, 3 and 6. If you need a quick review of how to find the lowest common multiple, you can check the video linked here. The lowest common multiple of 3 and 6 is 6, so we multiplied the whole equation by 6. So we get 6 times bracket x over 3 plus 2 equals 6 times bracket x over 6 plus 5. Now distribute the 6 to each term. That gives 6 times x over 3 plus 6 times 2 equals 6 times x over 6 plus 6 times 5. Next, simplify each term. 6 times x over 3 becomes 6x over 3 and becomes 2x. So on the left sides, we have 2x plus 12. On the right sides, 6 times x over 6 becomes 6x over 6 and becomes x. So we have x plus 30. So the equation simplifies to 2x plus 12 equals x plus 30. We now have the equation with x terms on both sides. A helpful tip is to subtract the smaller x term. So we subtract x from both sides to simplify the equation. This gives x plus 12 equals 30. Next, to isolate x, we subtract 12 from both sides. So we get x equals 18. We can check our answer by substituting x equals 18 back into the original equation. So we get 18 over 3 plus 2 equals 18 over 6 plus 5. Now simplify both sides. 18 divided by 3 is 6, so the left side becomes 8. 18 divided by 6 is 3, so the right side also becomes 8. Since both sides are equal, the solution is correct. Now it's your turn. Pause the video and try solving this equation before I show the answer. Okay, let's solve it together. First, notice the denominators are 4 and 6, so we find the lowest common multiple, and the lowest common multiple of 4 and 6 is 12. So we multiply the whole equation by 12. So we get 12 times bracket x over 4 plus 2 equals 12 times bracket x over 6 plus 5. Now distribute the 12 to each term. This gives 12 times x over 4 plus 12 times 2 equals 12 times x over 6 plus 12 times 5. Now simplify each term. 12 times x over 4 becomes 12x over 4 equals 3x. So on the left, we have 3x plus 24, and 12 times x over 6 becomes 12x over 6 equals 2x. So the right side becomes 2x plus 60. The equation becomes 3x plus 24 equals 2x plus 60. Both sides contain x terms. To simplify the equation, we subtract 2x from both sides. On the left side, 3x minus 2x becomes x. On the right side, 2x minus 2x cancels out, leaving 60. Next, subtract 24 from both sides to isolate x. This gives x equals 36. Let's check the solution. Substitute x equals 36 into the equation. Both sides simplify to 11, so the solution is correct. And that's how we solve linear equations with fractions on both sides. If you found this helpful, subscribe to ClearStep Math for more lessons. Practice makes progress. See you in the next lesson on ClearStep Math.